Hi, this is Sven from Voleatech, and I want to show you our new Woocommerce product serial number plugin. I will give you a tour of all the features and how it can help you manage your serial number and your stock to keep track of what you sold and what you got from your suppliers. The first thing you need to do is create a supplier for your shipments. A supplier is just a user, so you can go to Users, Add New, and start creating a normal user. Give it a username, an email address. First name and last name, if you like, is not required, but make sure to change the role to supplier. Press save, and you can check afterwards if the supplier is created, and you can also check the role. Let me show you how the serial numbers are connected to the product. We will open the t-shirt product here, and you can see that there is a new product serial number tab. If you open that tab, you will see the default serial number, which is the product title. You can change it, and also you can add a quantity to it. It will create more than one serial number for you if the quantity is higher than 1. The next thing I want to show you is how to create a supplier shipment. Supplier shipment is a shipment of goods or products that you will receive from your supplier. If you go to Product Supplier Shipment, you will see the overview page of shipments. Go to Add a Supplier Shipment now, and the first thing you do is select the supplier that you just created. Afterwards, press Save to do the initial save. In the supplier shipment data, you can fill out the basic information of the shipment you received from your supplier, like the date it arrived, who is handling the shipment internally by user, and one or more supplier order IDs that you got from your supplier. The next step is to create the product serial numbers. Search for product, click on create new product serial number, and the box will ask you for the main serial number. It will also save it automatically. If you have more than one serial number, it will show up here and you can enter more than one. Once you have saved it and you go back to the overview page, you can see all the important data from the supplier shipment. We will take a look at the product serial numbers now. Go to product serial numbers and you will see the overview page of all the product serial numbers that are in the system. As you can see, we already created a couple of items and also got some from supplier shipments. If you want to create a product serial number without a shipment, you can do it here. Just click Add Product Serial Number, pick the product you would like to create a serial number for, and save it. You will then see in the bottom of the screen the tabs for serial numbers, orders, and supplier shipments. You can add a serial number as you saw before in the supplier shipment screen. You can also then later on add that to a supplier shipment, and you will later be able to see which orders the item was in or is currently in, and as well as the customer that is currently having that item. Back in the overview page, you can see the product serial number that we just created. Each order has a new button now, Create or Edit a Product Serial Number. If you click on that button, a new pop-up will show up that allows you to search for existing product serial numbers or create one right out of the screen. This will connect the product serial number with an order item. This way you will always know which item is in which order and which customer has it currently. Let's go to the product serial number screen now and have a look at our serial numbers. We will take a look at a serial number that is attached to an order as well as a supplier shipment. You are now seeing that the order is attached to the serial number. You can see the order overview. You can see the serial numbers as well as the supplier shipment that the serial number is in. You can also set different statuses of the serial number. Sold means it is in an order and it's gone. And of course you can save those settings on the page. We do have a couple of general settings that you can configure. You must go to Woocommerce, Settings, stay on the General tab, and then scroll down a bit to see the product serial number options. The first option is to disable creation of new serial numbers in the order screen, so you can just add existing serial numbers. The second option is to search for product onlys, which will exclude variations from the product search by when you create serial numbers. Don't forget to save the settings afterwards.